Hello KG2. Our lessons for today is from Doodle Town book, Unit 8, On the Go. In this unit we are going to learn about on the go. What is on the go? On the go means very busy or active. When I'm very busy or active, I need to do many things. I need to go to my work. I need to buy food from the market. I need to go to the doctor. I need to visit my friends or my family. I need to take my kids for a picnic. So, the question is, how can I move from place to another? There is only one answer to this question, one word. It is transportations. And here are some transportations that I use to move around from place to another. Transportation number 1. A car that moves on wheels and carries people from place to another, like a form of public transport. People who want to go somewhere, they pay the driver to take them wherever they want to go. It is taxi. Taxi, taxi. Transportation number 2. An underground passenger train or rail system in a large city. They are powered by electricity. It is subway, subway, subway. Transportation number 3. A number of cars or other trucks which are all connected together and which are pulled by an engine along a railway. It is train, train, train. Transportation number 4. A boat or ship that carries people back and forth across the river or other body of water. It is ferry, ferry, ferry. Transportation number 5. A large wheeled vehicle meant to carry many different persons along with the driver. It is larger than a car. It is bus, the bus. Transportation number 6. A street vehicle that uses electricity from a track or overhead wires to move. A street vehicle that uses electricity from a track or overhead wires to move. It is trolley, trolley, trolley. And now, for example, if I want to go with my mom to the park or a place like a park, I can ask her, how do we get to the park? My mom will answer, we can take a taxi. Or, how do we get to the market? We can take the bus. I can also ask, can we take a taxi? Yes, we can. Listen to. Think and doodle. Let's describe this picture. There is a family. Dad, mom, and their kids. How they are getting around. The father of this family is working. The mother of this family, maybe she's working or maybe she's a housewife. All the family members need to move around. To the market, hospital, visit friends or family, and so on. So, the question is, how they are getting around. From this picture you can see that they are taking the subway. Taking the subway. How they are getting around. They are taking the subway. Why the subway? It has map and seats. So, they are taking the subway. How they are getting around, they are taking the subway. Lesson 3. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the ways that I use to move up, down, inside, and outside in a building. The first way is a moving stairway for going from one level to another. Escalator, escalator. Way number 2. A floor or little that can be raised or lowered for carrying people from one level to another. Elevator, elevator. Way number 3. A series of steps or flights of steps for going from one level to another. Stairs, stairs, stairs. Way number 4. A type of door that turns in its frame when it is used and allows people to go both in and out at the same time. Revolving door, revolving door, revolving door. In this picture, there is a family. They are having fun in the mall. Their kids want to go to the bubble room. So, they are going to ask, "Excuse me, how do we get to the bubble room?" How do we get to the bubble room? Take the escalator. Thank you. Again, the question and the answer. Excuse me, how do we get to the bubble room? Take the escalator. Thank you. Lesson 4. Let's explore. Here I have 2 kids. They are going to build 2 ramps for a car race. They are going to build 2 ramps for car race. So, which ramp is steeper? Which ramp is steeper? Steeper goes higher. So, the one with the higher is steeper. They are going to use the blocks. So, which ramp is steeper? My answer is the one with the higher blocks is steeper. The question here is, which car goes farther? Which car goes farther? I think the blue car will go farther because its ramp is steeper. Lesson 5 and 6. Lesson 5. First, we need to learn about letter O and letter X sounds. Letter O is a vowel and it has 2 sounds. One is short and one is long. O and O. Letter X is a consonant. So, letter X has 1 sound. X, x, x. So, letter O, O. Letter X is x, x, x. First, we are going to say, trace and write with me. On. Write the word on. fox, fox, fox. Write the word fox. Here I have a short story. A frog on the log. There is a rock in the pond at the park. There is a log by the rock. There is a frog on the log. There is a dog near the frog. The frog hops off the log on the rock into the pond at the park. Now, draw a line under each word with the letter O and read them. A frog on the log. There is a rock in the pond at the park. There is a log by the rock. There is a frog on the log. There is a dog near the frog. The frog hops off the log on the rock into the pond at the park. Lesson 6. Read and write. I'm going to read and you are going to write. We're going to choose from these words fox, on, box. The fox is on the box. Number 2, the box is on the fox. Again, number 1, the fox is on the box. Number 2, the box is on the fox. Here, we're going to make this activity. Make a rhyme time train. What rhymes with sock? Rock rhymes with sock. Clock rhymes with sock. So, sock, rock, and clock, they are all going to be on one train. Another rhyming words like hair, chair, pear, square, they are all going to be on one train. You can cut them, draw them, color them, and put them on a train. Lesson 7 and 8. City fun. Dad and I have fun in the city. How do we get to the park? Let's take the bus. We like riding our bike in the park. This is a bike for 2. Wow, look at the pond. We like riding the zoo train. We like looking at animals. I see a zebra. We like taking the elevator up to the top floor. We look down at the city. Take a picture. Okay, I like this city. So, city is fun. What do you like doing in the city? As it for me, I like going to the park. How about you? Lesson 9 and 10. Let's subtract. Let's count how many taxis are there. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 taxis. Subtract means take away. So I have 10 taxis and I'm going to take away 2. Let's count. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's write number 8. So I have 8 taxis. I'm going to take away 4 taxis. Let's count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 taxis. So I'm going to write number 4. So I have 4 taxis. I am going to take away 3 taxis. How many left? 1. 1 taxi. I am going to write number 1. Lesson 10. Listen and check. For example, I have subway, ferry, and a trolley. I am going to say ferry, ferry, ferry. Tick the box. Read and check. Let's read this word. Box, box, box. Let's tick the box. Look and write. Okay, let's describe this picture. Let's describe this picture. The, on the log. The, for, on the log. The frog on the log. The frog on the log. The frog on the log. I have 2 missing letters here to complete this word. Frog. O, g, g. The frog is on the log. The frog is on the log. Well, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. I'm gonna miss you. Bye.